NESBETH'S road manager shot and injured in Portmore, St. Catherine.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, the road manager of reggae artiste NESBETH, a man known in the reggae industry as Mr Drummond, and is also affectionately called Drummy, was shot and injured by unknown assailants on Tuesday the 16th of March. Mr Drummond survived the attack, but his attackers stole his licensed firearm after shooting him in the forehead. Now, head of the police's corporate communications unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, confirmed the incident. Lindsay is quoted as saying he's alive. NESBETH'S manager was shot in the face. A senior superintendent in Portmore told me that his attackers took away his licensed firearm. Since the unfortunate development, NESBETH posted a video on his Instagram page with the caption, "They shot my road manager in the face and took away his licensed firearm. Please keep him in your prayers. Jamaica is out of control. Be safe, everyone."
Sleep.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!